How to create a snap pixel. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. To begin with, you have to open up a browser in your device. Search for ads.snapchat.com. So firstly, you need to log in into your Snap Ad Manager. Once you are in your Snap Ad Manager, you have to navigate to the section of your Snap Pixel. Firstly, select on Create My Snap Pixel. Give your pixel a clear and descriptive name, such as My Store Pixel. It is so that you can easily identify it later. Once you are done, just tap on Click Create to bring your Snap Pixel to life. Now, if you want to add a Snap Pixel to any of the website, you have two of the options. One is Pixel Code, the second is the Partner Integration. If you select on Pixel Code, then tap on Continue, you will find an interface like this. Firstly, locate your Snap Pixel code. Then once you have located it successfully, you will see the option of Head. Paste the copied code, then just enter it right here. Once you do this, you'll be able to add your Snap Pixel to your website. This is the first way, that is the manual way. You also have the second option, that is Partner Integration, which is only available for certain platforms. There are currently two, one is Shopify and another is Wix. To add in one of those platforms, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is log in and navigate to the option of Add Apps, which might be present in the Settings option or under Apps, or it may have a designated option. It will redirect you to its very own App Store. At the top, you will find a search bar in which you can go ahead and search for your Snapchat Pixel. When you go ahead and tap on Enter, it will suggest you some of the Snapchat Pixel related to your search. You need to navigate the option of SnapApps-Snapchat Pixel Manager. Now all you have to do is just tap on the Install button. Now once it is installed, it will be automatically added to your Shopify or Wix. And that is a wrap for the video as well. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you.